Hey guys, how are you? Today we're going to learn how to install a Divi theme or a WordPress theme. So first of all, I just wanted to let you know that I'm using the Divi theme. Okay, so if you want to follow my tutorial exactly, you'll have to buy this theme. Just go to elegantthemes.com and after you have bought the theme, just click the download button in my account section. Okay, let's go back to where we left last episode and just navigate to the appearance area. Okay, and click the add new button. Okay, this step could also be used for installing any other WordPress theme. You may install a theme that's searchable in here and it's free, or you may buy a premium theme like Divi. Okay, I just downloaded, click the download button. Okay, and now I'll have to upload my file. Okay, it's on desktop, open. Okay, and now I have to click the install button. Let's wait a few seconds. Okay, it's working. Waiting. We can close this tab. We don't need it anymore. So it says it's loading. Installing a theme from uploaded file. Unpacking the package, installing the theme. Theme installed successfully. Now the next step is to activate the theme. Okay, we can just click active. So the WordPress is going to activate my theme. You can see Divi theme active. Okay, let's try to visit site, see if something is changed. Okay, so it says hello world. Okay, this is your first post. Okay guys, so this is how you can install a theme, any theme. It doesn't matter if you're using Divi theme or any other theme. So however, for this tutorial series I'm going to use Divi theme. So if you are going to create websites, do yourself a big favor and use Divi theme. Okay, it's the best. You'll see in the next episodes why. Okay, so when I'm first installing a WordPress theme, I'm using some standard plugins. Okay, I have a standard list of plugins which I'm installing on each and every website I'm building. Okay, so first let's install a backup plugin. Okay, what is this plugin doing? So it's going to somehow save on the server or at a specified location. You could also use Dropbox to save your website content. Okay, so in case something went wrong when you're developing, you will be able to restore your data. Okay, let's go ahead and add the backup plugin. I'm using Updraft. Okay, Updraft. Okay. Just hit the install now button. Okay, it says it's installing. So this plugin is going to basically handle backup, and restore. Okay, it's an amazing plugin. been using this plugin for years. Okay, it's done. The installation is done. Now I can hit the activate button. Okay. Okay, so it's installed. You may find this in the settings section, and navigate to updraft plus backups. Okay, for now we're just going to leave it as it is and install some more new plugins. Okay, so the next plugin I'm sometimes using, it's a security plugin. It's called what it's called, WordFence. Okay, I'm going to install this plugin as well. So what is this plugin doing? This plugin is going to protect your website against malware and hackers and stuff like that. Okay, so whenever I'm installing a new website, I'm just using this plugin. Let's activate this plugin as well. Okay, let's see what else do we need. We also need, yeah, it's asking you for a password. Sorry, not a password, an email address. So in case something happens, it's going to email you with alerts. So this is pretty cool feature. Instead, someone is trying to hack your website, okay, you'll be announced. Okay, what else do we need? We also need a SEO plugin. Okay, it's called Yoast. Okay, this helps you optimize your website, so it's going to be easily found on Google search. Okay. So it's installing. Okay, I'm just going to click activate. Okay, I think we're good to go. Okay, so for now, let's just conclude this episode with making a backup. Okay, just in case something happens, we might have a copy to revert to. Okay, you can set this plugin to automatically make a backup. Okay, however, I like to do it manually. Okay, so I'm in control of what happens. Okay, you just have to click the backup button. Okay, include your database. Yeah, include your files. Okay, just click the backup now button. Okay, it says requesting start of backup. Okay, so it's doing something apparently. Okay, so it says the backup has finished running. Okay. Okay. So in case something happens, you can just click the restore button. Okay, select whatever you need to reinstall. Let's say, for example, we need to restore uploads. Okay, we don't really have uploads yet. Let's say something went wrong with our plugins, we are getting some errors and we need to restore the plugins. Okay, just tick the plugins checkbox and click the restore button. Okay, so it says the backup archive files have been successfully processed. Now press restore again to proceed. Okay, I'm just going to click the restore button again. Okay, so it says the restore operation has begun. Do not press stop or close your browser until it reports itself as having finished. So again, we're going to have to wait a little bit. It's asking me if I want to WordPress to stay up to date automatically. It's a notification. So I'll just click no thanks, because I don't want any plugins going rogue, okay, and update by themselves, because this might lead to some incompatibility issues, so I want to update my plugins all by myself. Okay, let's just follow the link to. Okay, so it says restore successful. This is a log file apparently. Okay, however, it should have had reported that operation has finished. Okay, guys, I'm just going to visit my website again. So this is how you install a WordPress theme. Let's say you want to now activate another theme, so you'll have to log in again. Okay, go to appearance section, just click on themes. Here you have some other themes. You may activate them whenever you need them. Okay, add new theme, click add new theme button, upload a theme. Okay, and just repeat the steps as you see them in this video. Okay, guys, see you next episode, where we are going to try to build a homepage for maybe consultancy business. Okay, who knows? Okay, bye bye, see you.